Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to lock or unlock debit or credit card on Chase Bank. The first thing I want you to do is launch up the Chase Bank app, and I want you to go ahead and scroll down. And here what I want you to do is scroll down again until you see account services, and then you'll see this one, replace lost or damaged card. I want you to click on this, and if you have misplaced your card, if you want to lock it, unlock it, you can go ahead and do that by just toggling this on or off. Right now, as you can see, it is unlocked. And if you want to lock it, then all you need to do is toggle this one on, especially if it's stolen or lost, so you can protect yourself. It'll block new purchases, any cash advances, inbalance transfers on your card. So just toggle this one on. As you can see, now we have locked our card. Really that easy. You can also request a card replacement by clicking on this. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.